5070. The maximum cumulative time that an emergency locator transmitter may be operated before the rechargeable battery must be recharged is A. 30 minutes, B. 45 minutes, C. 60 minutes. The correct answer is C. When the transmitter has been in use for a total of more than 1 hour, the YLT batteries must be changed or recharged. 5071. No person may operate a large civil aircraft of U.S. registry, which is subject to a lease, unless the issue has mailed a copy of the lease to the FAA Aircraft Registration Branch, Technical Section, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma within how many hours of its execution? A. 24, B. 48, C. 72. The correct answer is A. Within 24 hours of its execution, the lessee must mail a copy of the lease to the Aircraft Registry Technical Section, Box 25724, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma 73125. 5073-1, which is true with respect to formation flights. Formation flights are A. Authorized when carrying passengers for hire with prior arrangement with the pilot in command of each aircraft in the formation. B. Not authorized when visibility is less than 3 sm. C. Not authorized when carrying passengers for hire. The correct answer is C. According to FAA 91.303, formation flying is prohibited when carrying passengers for hire. This is because formation flying can be hazardous and can increase the risk of an accident. There are a number of reasons why formation flying is prohibited when carrying passengers for hire. First, it can be difficult to maintain proper spacing and separation between aircraft in a formation. This can lead to collisions or other accidents. Second, formation flying can increase the workload on the pilots, which can lead to errors. Third, formation flying can create a distraction for other pilots in the area, which can also lead to errors. If you are a pilot and you are considering carrying passengers for hire, you should avoid formation flying. There are many other ways to enjoy flying without putting your passengers at risk. 5073-2, which is true with respect to operating near other aircraft in flight. They are A. Not authorized, when operated so close to another aircraft they can create a collision hazard. B. Not authorized, unless the pilot in command of each aircraft is trained and found competent in formation. C. Authorized when carrying passengers for hire, with prior arrangement with the pilot in command of each aircraft in the formation. The correct answer is A. When operated so close to another aircraft, they can create a collision hazard. According to FAA 91.303, no person may operate an aircraft so close to another aircraft as to create a collision hazard. This means that you must always maintain a safe distance from other aircraft, even if you are not flying in formation. The safe distance will vary depending on the size and speed of the aircraft, as well as the weather conditions. It is important to be aware of your surroundings and to be constantly scanning for other aircraft. You should also be aware of the limitations of your aircraft and your own skills. If you are not comfortable flying close to other aircraft, you should avoid doing so. 5073-3, which is true with respect to formation flights. Formation flights are A. Not authorized, except by arrangement with the pilot in command of each aircraft. B. Not authorized, unless the pilot in command of each aircraft is trained and found competent in formation. C. Authorized when carrying passengers for hire, with prior arrangement with the pilot in command of each aircraft in the formation. The correct answer is A. No one is allowed to fly a plane so near to another one that it poses a risk of collision. Except with the pilot in command of each aircraft in the formation, no person may operate an aircraft in a formation flight. No person shall fly an aircraft in formation while transporting people for hire.